How to download Milestone Credit Card app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can download the Milestone Credit Card app on your device. So the first step is to open Play Store on your device if you're using Android. If you're using iOS devices, you want to open your App Store. Once you open the Play Store, you want to tap on the search bar. Now search for Milestone Credit Card app. Then you want to open this application. Now with this application, you can easily manage your finances. You can download it to control your account, plan and monitor payment history, and receive alerts about potential fraudulent activities. So go ahead and tap on the install button. Now, depending on your internet speed, it is going to take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it is going to be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option, then log into your account and start using this application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.